After 7 months of researching, I finally pulled the trigger on the Canon R7. It arrived a few days ago, so I'll share my first impressions of unboxing it. In future videos, I'll cover why I picked the Canon R7 over others, such as what to consider when buying a camera as a creator and videographer. I'll also unbox and discuss a brand new Sigma 18-35 and hopefully a cage, so stick around if any of that sounds interesting. Unboxing. Being all black, the box is pretty standard with the R logo on the top. In my humble opinion, its best looking side is the R7 image. Inside there's documentation and warranty. Also, one of those Canon straps which, based on my memory, is smaller than others. Either way, I never use them, so it really doesn't matter. Unlike other companies, Canon provides a charger and a slightly improved version of their better LP6 batteries, which is one of the reasons for getting the R7. First impressions. Underneath there's the R7 wrapped in more plastic for additional protection. Although it's somewhat tiny in my hand, I'm used to Canon gear, so I film at home holding it. And this applies to the flippy screen and the whole layout, which I really enjoy. I'm not used to the control dial being up, but the more I hold the camera, the more it feels natural, as I have relatively large palms and long fingers. Having Canon's typical deep grip, the R7 feels sturdy and premium. It is lighter and smaller than older models, and the RF mount looks gigantic on it. On the contrary, this is not an issue, as I plan to get a cage, especially considering the lens I'll mainly use it with. So feel free to share your thoughts on SmallRig's Black Mamba 8-scenes R7 cage, which I'm kinda leaning toward to, and others you have experiences with. No kit lens. Speaking of glass, no kit lenses are included. Besides not wanting to invest in those, I intend to pair my Canon R7 with the 18-35 Sigma. Largely considered the most legendary creator lens, the last is a beast with internal zoom and constant aperture of 1.8, so it's a perfect do-it-all choice. And as they say, it isn't that much the body, but the lighting and the lenses you use it with. Let me know if you agree. Sigma 18-35. Based on my research, the Sigma 18-35 complements the R7 perfectly, especially when combined with the Black Pro mist filter, which will hopefully arrive soon. Truth be told, the 18-35 was one of the main reasons for opting for the R7. Others included Canon's Color Science, IBIS, 4K Fine and 4K 60, but those as mentioned deserve a separate post. Given that, these are my first impressions of the Canon R7. I'll be happy if you let me know your thoughts on both the camera and this video. Otherwise, like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe for more content like this, check my other works and books, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for your time.